Hey YouTube, it's Brian out in the backyard on my deck. My son's bird feeder has some activity going on. Had some beautiful golden finches here earlier this morning. But, it's always cool to come out here and check out what's going on outside. Got to be a female cardinal on the ground there. Titmouses and wrens, house sparrows, things like that. And still have the hummingbird coming to the hummingbird feeder. Got a ruby hummingbird, female. It's like 2 or 3 of them that still come. Probably another week or 2 before they start to migrate away. The hummingbird just flying around. Saw 2 of them just flying around. They're fighting over this little feeder. There she is. Tough to get on video, but I got it. I'm right in front of her. I'm maybe like 10, 15 feet tops away from her. I'll zoom in. They're the coolest things. There she goes. She goes right over that tree. She just flew right up in that tree. She'll be back. Alright, YouTube. There you go. Well, my backyard. My son's got all his bird feeder set up the way he likes it. He gets some good stuff back here too. He's the one who got me into bird watching. So, alright. Ooh, we got 2 hummingbirds. Oops. Alright, we're going to try to give it one more shot. We just had 2 hummingbirds, male and a female, fly right over. And looks like they're fighting over this food, protecting it. So maybe they'll come back. They just came right by. It's pretty neat. So let me see here. They fly away. Not sure if you can hear that little noise. That's the hummingbird. Not sure if it's picking up on the camera. He's right above us. Just waiting for him to come down and get the food. There's a nice downey woodpecker. Just came. Everything coming to this backyard. It's amazing. Bucks County, PA. There he is, back. There she is. think that's the female. There's been 3 of them flying around. They're flying right over our heads. It's really cool. Alright, YouTube. That's enough of the bird watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.